Imagine stepping into a machine, pressing a button, and being transported to any time you desire. It's the ultimate escape, isn't it? A chance to rewrite your past or catch a glimpse of the future. But is it even possible? You won't believe what happened when scientists tried to answer this question. Who hasn't wished for a second chance? Whether it's to change a mistake, save a loved one, or simply satisfy our insatiable curiosity, time travel has captivated our minds for centuries. From the legends of King Arthur to H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, we've dreamed of bending the rules of time. But could this dream actually come true? To understand if time travel is possible, we have to dive into the mind of Albert Einstein. You see, Einstein's theory of relativity showed us that time and space are connected, like a fabric that can be bent and twisted. And that is where things get truly strange. Gravity affects time. The closer you are to a massive object, the slower time passes. This means that technically time travel is already happening. Astronauts in space age more slowly than we do here on Earth. But is there a way to do more than just slow down or speed up time? Wormholes. A shortcut through space-time that could allow you to leap vast distances or even hop through time. If wormholes exist, they might just be the golden ticket to traveling through time. But there's one small problem. Scientists haven't actually found any yet. However, even if we could create or find a wormhole, there are risks. Just stepping into one could tear you apart, or worse, send you to a universe where the laws of physics are different. But let's assume for a moment that we could time travel safely. Here's where things get complicated. Imagine traveling back in time to prevent a tragedy. But in doing so, you stop the very series of events that led you to time travel in the first place. That's the famous grandfather paradox, and it's just one of many. What about the butterfly effect, where even a tiny change in the past could spiral into massive changes in the future? If you saved someone's life, would you still be you? You might be wondering, have scientists tried? The answer is yes. Researchers have created microscopic time loops using particles called positrons, and scientists at CERN are testing theories that could pave the way for small-scale time travel. But we're far from a working time machine. In fact, some of the greatest minds, like Stephen Hawking, once hosted a time traveler's party. The twist? He only sent the invitations after the party, hoping a future time traveler might show up. No one did. Imagine being able to go back and share one last laugh, one last embrace with someone who's gone. The thought pulls at your heart, doesn't it? Time travel could give us closure. Let us say the words we left unsaid. But it would also mean we'd never truly move forward. Would we get trapped, unable to let go? Maybe we've been thinking about this all wrong. Perhaps the only way to truly experience the past or future is through our memories, or our imagination. Our minds are more powerful than any machine. When we tell our stories, pass down our memories, we give others a glimpse into another time. Here's the truth. Time travel, as we've dreamed, may always remain just that, a dream. But what if we could use that dream to live differently in the present? The more mindful we are in each moment, the less we need to revisit the past or peek into the future. So maybe the closest we'll ever get to time travel is this, fully experiencing each moment, telling our stories, creating memories worth keeping, and most importantly, letting go when it's time to move on. We can't change the past, and the future isn't ours yet, but right now is a gift. So is time travel possible? Not in the way we imagined, but maybe in the way we live, it is. What will you do with the time you have right now?